So this is the epilateral and oblique X-ray of the base of the proximal phalanx fracture.
This gentleman got comminuted fracture of the proximal phalanx along with very subluxation of the joint. So I will go through the dorsal approach, but I'm preferring little bit of on the radial side so that there will be no scar over the tendon, and that will avoid the stiffness and increase the range of motion. So in these surgeries we have to careful about the subcutaneous nerve, radial and ulnar nerve, and that is very minimal, and we have to avoid any incision on the ulnar side, on the fifth finger and the radial side of the second finger. So now I'm going to start the incision like this. The incision should start from the base of the proximal phalanx, which I marked already in the C-arm, and directly try to stay on the bone. Pick up please. Take a pick up, take a pick up. You'll find some venous branches which you have to sacrifice. You can see here. So, okay. So now you can see the tendon here, extension tendon. These are the cavities which we have to coagulate. You have to avoid damaging the dorsal venous system, but at some point of time you have to sacrifice it. That's the case. So now we have retracted the extensor tendon, and just we will go for subperiosteal to release from the bone. Give me the spike please. Spike. Spike. Okay. Give me the periosteum. Okay, ready? So we have created the flap on the medial and lateral side. And now I'm going to split the tendon so that it will be easily accessible to the fracture site. And better to avoid going too distally, and otherwise there is a fear of the distal attachment, and later it will lead to the botnia deformity. Clearly you can see the fracture now. So let me expose the fracture and then I'll come back. So we have separated the tendon after splitting, and after the curatives and washing, we did the reduction of the fracture. You can see the fracture is well aligned, and we put one K wire for the stabilization of the fracture. Now which you can see on the CR.
So this is the fluoroscopic image after the reduction and putting the K wire for stabilization of the fracture. Now we will going to put the plate in this.
So after the reduction, we have put one K wire for stabilization of the fracture. In this also we can check the rotation of the finger, and after fixation also we are going to check the rotation. And we have put the plate. Plate was little bit long, so we removed the two holes, distal one, and now I secured the plate with the K wire, and we are going to put the first cortical screws, and after that we'll go for the locking screws. No. So now I'm putting the screws. We already put two screws in the proximal one and one in the dorsal. Now fracture is stabilized, and I remove the K wire and then put the two screws distal.
So this is the final image after reduction.
So we have stabilized the fracture with the screws. We are a bit struggling with the plate angulation, but now it's fine. And here I'm ready to show in between. Okay, and I'm going to strip the tendon now. Continuous stitches with 3/0 micron, and then we'll close the skin and put the stents.
So now tendon has been closed with the running suture, and now I'm closing the skin. I'll put some matrices in this, and after that we will do the dressing and put the back slab. This is the final picture after closing the skin.